Hi there, my name is Rob Lauer and I'm part of the developer relations team here at Blues. I know AI is top of mind for every developer today, so I want to show you how to take advantage of a specialized AI tool for developing IoT applications with the Blues note card. That being Blues Expert, which is an MCP server or Model Context Protocol server. Now MCPs effectively supplement the large language models you're already using, like OpenAI's GPT-5 or Claude's Sonnet, with data that those LLMs would not have been initially trained on. Specifically, Blues Expert is going to help your LLM provide more accurate code samples, more intelligent API requests, and really better firmware structure when working with the Blues note card and its paired cloud service, Notehub. Now today, I'm going to show you how to get started using Blues Expert with GitHub Copilot, which is a Microsoft supplied extension that seamlessly integrates into your Visual Studio Code workflow. Now, quick disclaimer that these tools are changing all the time, so these instructions might not be perfectly accurate depending on when you watch this, but they should get you pointed in the right direction. All right, if you haven't already, search for and install GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot Chat from the extensions manager here. You will want both of them for the full experience, and just note that you may also have to sign up for the free version of GitHub Copilot as well. Once those are installed, we also need to install our Blues Expert MCP. So in VS Code, I'm going to open up the command palette with Command-Shift-P on a Mac or Control-Shift-P on Windows and search for MCP, open user configuration, and that's going to open up my mcp.json config file. Now, since Blues Expert is an HTTP-based MCP, there's nothing else I have to install locally. I just have to paste in this JSON that you see here, and I'll be sure to include that in the video description as well. And just to run through everything that's going on here, I have a name of Blues Expert. The type is HTTP. The URL is exactly as you see here. And the tools star means that we're going to expose all tools that the Blues Expert MCP provides. Now, with that file saved, we should then start the MCP server. And note that you'll always have access in the extensions manager as well. You'll have access to your installed MCP servers right here. So in the future, I'll be able to click on this gear and start, stop, restart the server, show debugging output, all that kind of good stuff. Now let's go back to the sketch here and let's open up GitHub Copilot. First thing we want to do in GitHub Copilot is make sure that our agent mode is enabled right here, and then choose whatever LLM you want to use. I just happen to be using Claude's Sonnet 4. And first question you might have is how to actually tell that GitHub Copilot is using the Blues Expert tool. Well, generally it should happen automatically with the LLM, but you can always explicitly tell it to use the MCP by using hashtag Blues Expert. And we can make sure we select the Blues Expert tool right there. Now let's give it a prompt. So let's tell it to write a single Arduino sketch that reads temperature and humidity data from a DHT22 sensor, cues that data on a Blues note card every 5 minutes, and syncs note card with Notehub every 30 minutes. And we'll see what happens here. Now notice every time GitHub Copilot wants to use an MCP, it's going to prompt you for permissions. This is because MCPs can technically be a bit dangerous sometimes, so it's important not to blindly approve requests. I am going to blindly approve them for this session only though. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the video here so you don't have to watch all of my confirmations. Great, so the first round of this using this agent is all done. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and build this just to make sure what it put together builds. And we'll see it hit an error here, so I'm just going to copy this and paste it into my chat window here and have it just fix the issue itself. And we can see the first error was because it didn't actually include function prototypes there, so we'll keep that. And let's try building it again. It built successfully, fantastic. And with that, we welcome you to try out the Blues Expert MCP and let us know how it works for you. You can always hit us up at any time on the Blues Developer Forum at discuss.blues.com. Thanks.